And right now we have some breaking news coming in from the state of West Bengal. Former Kolkata Police Commissioner Rajiv Kumar appointed as the new Bengal DGP. Now, Kumar is currently the Principal Secretary of the Information Technology and Electronics Department. He earlier served as Kolkata Police Commissioner and also headed the Crime Investigation Department and State Police Special Task Force. Now, political fireworks have erupted over this new appointment. Now, the BJP is using CBI's allegation to take on the TMC government. CBI has accused Rajiv Kumar of allegedly suppressing and destroying evidence in the investigation of the Sharda scam while leading a special investigation team set up by the state government to probe the matter. Meanwhile, on the other hand, TMC has hit back saying that Rajiv Kumar is an able officer and he will do a good job on the post. So this is the war of words that has erupted between the BJP and the TMC. Let's take a look at some reactions.
রাজীব কুমার বেসিক্যালি একজন দক্ষ পুলিশ অফিসার। মাঝখানে কিছু টার্মোয়েল গেছিল, আপনারা সবাই জানেন। আমার সঙ্গে একটা দূরত্ব তৈরি হয়ে যায় নির্দিষ্ট কিছু কারণে। এই কিছুকাল আগে কালী পুজোর দিন বহুকাল বাদে মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর বাড়িতে ওনার সঙ্গে আমার দেখা হয়েছিল এবং সৌজন্য বিনিময়ও হয়েছিল। আমিও বলেছি আপনি ভালো থাকুন, উনিও বলেছেন আমাকে আপনি ভালো থাকুন। তো উনি ডিজি পদে এসছেন, নিশ্চয়ই ভালো খবর। একজন আইপিএস, দক্ষ আইপিএস। তো ভালো থাকুন, ভালো করে কাজ করুন। শুধু দেখবেন যে আমার মতো কোনো নির্দোষকে যেন কারণ না কারণ নির্দেশে কখনো বলি দিতে যাবেন না, তাহলে কিন্তু তার থেকে তার পরের দিনগুলো ভগবান ভালো দেন না।
গোপালিকা মুখ্য সচিব
এখনো বাইরে থাকার সুযোগ করে দিয়েছিলেন, তিনি প্রতিদান দিচ্ছেন। আমি সিবিআই কে বলবো সুপ্রিম কোর্টে মামলা কেন উঠছে না।
And our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh is joining us on this story. Pallavi, some very serious allegations being leveled by the BJP against the appointment of the new DGP.
In fact, he was allegedly involved in a chit fund case. At least that's the accusation is all about. And CBI had gone to his residence to investigate him at that point of time. He was the police commissioner of Kolkata. And Mamata Banerjee had called this a complete witch hunt, which was taking place once again by the BJP, and also how it was misusing the CBI to try and target all those who were considered to be close to her. Rajiv Kumar has always been considered to be close to Mamata Banerjee, though she's maintained the line that he's an upright officer. He's someone who's extremely capable and meritorious, and in a state like West Bengal, it will come in handy to have his services as a DGP. So even now, when he's made that appointment, clearly complete defiance of the BJP's objections, also defiance and standing up to the CBI. And I think this is now going to give a handle to the BJP, who have consistently made 2 points against her. One, she is corrupt and she in fact supports and shields all those who are believed to be corrupt, and she's building up a coterie or nexus around her. And second is that law and order has completely failed in Kolkata and in many parts of West Bengal thanks to the way she runs the administration.
All right, Pallavi, thank you so much for getting us all those details. And right now we are